Alright, so lastly, and in the last video, if you were following with us so far, we have talked about IP addresses, everything about IP addresses, its subnet mask, and after that, the most important thing, please, this is a U, which is subnetting. Okay, subnetting. Okay, we have took some examples and stated that subnet mask starts from 8 to 3, and you should have noticed of the last compared examples that the smaller the subnet mask, the bigger the number of valid IP address that we can obtain. Subnet mask can be written like /number /8/20/30, whatever, from 8 to 32, or it can be written in this matter that we haven't mentioned, okay, because we have mentioned only this method and the methods of ones and zeros of the binary. So another way to type subnet mask will be expanded decimal form, because you know /24 is decimal. It's okay, it's not binary, but there is another method which is an expanded method. This is the method that you can type to a router or a switch. This is the method that you type inside your notes for you to recognize, not for a device. And the binary method is what happens beyond the scenes. So these are three types for only expressing your subnet mask. Okay, so we have in detail talked about type 1, type 3. Let's just go back to type 2 before we solve a big problem. Okay, so type 2 is this expanded form of the decimal form, which will be in this way. Let me clear this. Notes. Okay, so any network that has the subnet mask of 24 can have the mask that is written in this form of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm sorry, I keep repeating this in every time I write a subnet mask, but it might be very important for some of you that have a big time duration left between each lecture and another, or still confusing about it. Okay, so 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 24, and these are my 8 left zeros to complete my 32-bit length of the IPv4. Why we have mentioned method 1, after that method 2, 3, and left method 2 in the middle, and we have mentioned it, leave it to the end, because method 2 depends on method 3. Okay, expanded decimal method depends on the binary method. How come? I have here 4 octets. Each octet has its own numbers now. Octet 1 has 8 ones, octet 2 has 8 ones, octet 3 also has 8 ones, octet 4 has 8 zeros. How do I use the binary form to type the expanded decimal form? Okay, it will be in this way. What do I need? Whiteboard would be much better for such place. Okay, good. This is whiteboard, and this is clear for everything. I will type it here. Subnet 24 have these. Okay, this is my binary form of subnet mask. How to type the expanded or extended subnet, decimal form will be in this way. Extended. Each octet alone, each octet separately, do treat its own 8 digits in the matter of classic conversion from binary to decimal. You remember when we have 8 binary digits, and whatever fulfill we take it, what doesn't we leave it, and we use 0 instead of it, and this is how we converted number 4 to be produced in this way. Okay, the conversion from binary to decimal, we will use this all just beneath. Okay, so this is the pen of this is the pen, I believe, of no, this is not my pen. Okay, so the first octet. Okay, in order to convert any binary number to the decimal number, you have 8 digits. You will start with number 1 and multiply it by 2 and keep doing this until you reach not 32, not 64, 128. I will repeat this for all these octets. 8, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Anyone noticed? Okay. 32, 64, 1, 2, wait. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 1, 2, 8. Maybe I have changed the architectural of IP addresses. Okay, so whatever number that has number 1 beneath it is fulfilled. Whatever number that has a 0 beneath it is not. So even here I have these numbers. Okay, so for my first octet alone, without noticing any other octet, how to convert only this octet to decimal? Whatever number 1 I have, I will use the number upon it or above it. Okay, so in this case all of them are ones, so I will use all these numbers. I will use 128, and I will use 64 and 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. All these 8 numbers have ones beneath them, so I will use them all, and that will give me the result of 255. So my first octet, to convert it from binary to decimal, it will be 255. For my second octet, as a coincidence, it is also contained out of 8 ones, so I will use all these 8 numbers, which will give me this same result, which will be 255. And for the third octet as well, 255, because all of it is ones. For the final octet, all my numbers has zeros beneath it, so no one of them is fulfilled, and that will cause me to have 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, and the fifth 6 0, 7 0, and then 8 0. Science mathematics will be zeros. Okay, this is very important for you to know now, that my /24 can be written in this decimal method, so I can type this number inside a router or a switch. These are for routers, switches, and firewalls. These are for the network devices, okay, and for the computers as well. I will show you exactly how we can do it in the IP parameter side. Okay, so this is how I can type my /24 subnet mask. Okay, so this should be clear until now. Let us clear all this now, and thanks for the whiteboard. We are back now to what we have been talking about, of the form of typing this subnet mask. Okay, subnetting should have been done. Please, for any further comment, question, query, something you need me to repeat, didn't understand, any source you want me to display and attach, just comment below and beneath our video. Please also like it, subscribe our channel, and turn on the bell ring the bell as they stated on YouTube, other YouTubers, my friends, okay, so that you can know whatever on whenever time we upload a new video to complete your topics for your next CCNA exam.